Hey there, you are tuning in on TechLab, right? Awesome, cause I'm about to dive right into something really cool, deploying apps using MSIX app attached for Azure Virtual Desktop. Think of it like this: if we could streamline the way apps get delivered and managed on our desktops in Azure, we could really boost efficiency and flexibility. Now, roll up your sleeves, let's get this show on the road. Alright, so you are probably asking, what's this MSIX app attach all about? Imagine being able to bring not just one but several apps to life as soon as a user starts their virtual desktop session. It's like having the magician's tool, bring objects into existence with a wave of the wand, or in our case, attach an MSIX app to that session. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Well, MSIX is here to make that dream a reality for you and your enterprise. It's all about making sure your apps are always up to date, secure, and just as you've got them on your Windows PC, with the added bonuses of containerization and app-specific isolation and updates. Now, why is this strategically important, you ask? Good question. Because it means rapid app updates with zero interruption, the ability to sandbox your apps, and a consistent user experience across multiple devices. That's not all, though. MSIX app attach allows for granular control over app execution within a VM, and that's where the real power comes from. It helps in avoiding desktop clutter and unnecessary app consumption, which is a win for both performance and security. When deploying with MSIX on Azure Virtual Desktop, you get this super smooth architecture. Think of it as an app launcher which not only brings your apps up but does so securely, ensuring data integrity and enforcing application isolation. This is critical in enterprise settings where you want to minimize risk and manage app updates seamlessly without affecting the entire user experience. Alright, let's walk through the initial configuration, shall we? The first thing to get a solid handle on is creating MSIX apps on premises if they don't already exist. Once you've got your apps wrapped in those shiny MSIX forms, it's time to deploy them on Azure Virtual Desktop. But you must set things up just right to ensure it's smooth sailing once they go live. The devil is in the details, I tell you. You'll need to configure an application manifest for each MSIX app you want to deploy. This makes sure Azure Virtual Desktop knows about your MSIX apps and their app execution capabilities. Also, setting up app customization policies is key. It's like creating a roadmap for your apps, making sure what they can do, where they can store data, and their execution speed. Let's not forget the look and feel. But of course, with great power comes great responsibility. So, it's only polite to chat about advanced troubleshooting. What if things don't go as planned? Or perhaps, if users are seeing apps load slower than expected? Don't fret. You can tap into debugging tools and performance monitoring. There's also a need to roll back updates if the new ones are messing things up for your users. It's like being a first-class troubleshooter, always ready to roll out fixes and keep things running smoothly. Oh, and I mustn't forget about our beloved best practices. Stay abreast with the latest from Azure Virtual Desktop, always keep your MSIX apps up to date, and ensure they are secure. These practices not only ensure efficiency but also protect against threats. Remember, it's about providing a seamless user experience that makes your enterprise stand out. There you go. Now that we are all caught up on the ins and outs of deploying MSIX apps on Azure Virtual Desktop and how to handle it like a pro, it's time to bring this conversation home. Remember, If you want to make sure you don't miss out on more insights like this, visit Neeraj's channel at qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab. Can't wait to see you on the next deep dive topic. Until then, keep innovating.